In 1842, a young Austrian physicist, Christian Doppler, noticed that stars change colors when observed for longer periods of time. This phenomenon is also known as redshift. Anyway, he deduced that this was because of change in frequency of light coming from the star. As we know, we see colors based on wavelength of light. As the wavelength changes, the color changes too. Through change of color, it was clear that the wavelength was increasing. This change only meant one thing: that the stars were getting farther away. Later, this discovery became the basis of discovery of expanding universe. The process of decreasing frequency for farther moving objects was named Doppler Effect, and it is still used till date to see how fast the stars or galaxies are moving away from us. Doppler effect is not limited to light. In fact, it is easier to detect with sound waves. When an object heads towards the observer, its sound amplifies. Similarly, when an object moves away from the observer, its sound condenses. As it can be seen here, that when an object is moving in a specific direction, its frequency of sound wave is increasing in the direction of its motion. Just like an ambulance siren, when it is heading towards you, its sound amplifies, and the moment it has crossed you, its sound starts to condense. Let's take an interesting example. Have you ever seen a jet creating a sonic boom? Ever wondered what must be causing that? Just like the case of an ambulance, the jet also produces sound. Initially, the sound is traveling faster than the jet. As its speed approaches closer to the speed of sound, the difference between its speed and the speed of sound decreases. The moment its speed matches the speed of sound, frequency of sound waves becomes superimposed, creating a sonic boom. This, too, is an example of Doppler effect. There are countless implications of Doppler effect in our lives, but the most important one is the earliest one. Its help in figuring out the increasing distance of stars. That is it for today. We will be back with another fascinating topic. Until then, keep looking up.